everybody, welcome back to Rajtech India. Today I'm going to show you after how many years your FD amount in State Bank of India will be doubled. Here on the screen you can find the latest interest rates given by the SBI on FD schemes. I will provide the link of this page in below video description. By clicking on that link you can visit this page. These fixed deposit interest rates are effective from 27 May 2020 and this column is for the general public and the last column is for the senior citizens. State Bank of India is giving an interest of 2.90% when you deposit your money for 7 to 45 days and for senior citizens it is 3.40%. And for 46 to 179 days of deposit it is giving an interest of 3.90% for general public and 4.40% for the senior citizens, and the maximum interest rate is given when you deposit your money for 5 years to 10 years and it is 5.40% for general public and for senior citizens it is 6.20%. So with this interest rate we have to calculate after how many years our FD amount will be doubled. Here I am selecting this amount because I already know that it will take at least 10 years to double our money when we deposit with this interest rate of amount. So to calculate how many years will it take to double our FD amount in SBI, what we have to do is just type compound interest calculator and Google and open the first link, thecalculatorsite.com. When you click on that link, this page will open. Here select the rupee symbol and enter the amount which you want to do FD. Suppose if you want to do a fixed deposit of 1 lakh rupees, then just enter 1 lakh rupees here. And here you need to enter the interest rate. As we already know, it will take at least 10 years or more than 10 years to double our FD amount. So I am selecting 5.40% as the interest rate. Here I am entering 5.40%. After that we need to enter the calculation period. Here we don't know exactly after how many years our amount will be doubled. So I am starting with 10 years. So first we have to check after 10 years how much returns we will get on this 1 lakh rupees. And select compound interval as yearly. And you don't need to put any data here. Now click on calculate. See here, after 10 years you are getting a return of 69,000 rupees and our total amount will become 1,69,000 rupees. So it is not doubling after 10 years also. So I'm adding another 3 years here. So overall it will become 13 years. So now I am again clicking on calculate. So after 13 years our amount will become 1,98,000 rupees. So it is almost 2 lakhs. Our amount is almost doubled. So I am adding another 1 year for this. So overall the calculation period, overall the tenure of our FD will become 14 years here. I am again clicking on calculate. So after 14 years we are getting an interest of 1,08,000 rupees and our amount is almost double here. It is 2,08,000 rupees. So like this we can calculate our returns on FDs for any bank, not only for State Bank of India. And for State Bank of India it is taking almost 14 years with this interest rate to double our FD amount. Suppose if we invest 2 lakh rupees, let's we check whether it is doubling after 14 years or not. Now I am again clicking on calculate. See here, after 14 years our amount is almost doubled and it is 4,17,000 rupees. So with this present interest rate of 5.40%, our amount of FD in State Bank of India will be doubled after 14 years. If the interest rate increases, then this time period will decrease. If the State Bank of India or any other banks decrease these interest rates, then our time period will increase to double our FD amount. So like this you can calculate your FD returns for any bank or any post office. And if you still have any questions, then please ask your questions in below comment section. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe to Rajtech India. Thank you.